The Certified Quality Auditor (CQA) exam, administered by ASQ, American Society for Quality, is a challenging test that requires strong time management and strategic test-taking skills. Proper preparation and exam day techniques can significantly improve performance and reduce test anxiety. In this lesson, we'll cover 1. Understanding the CQA exam timing and structure. 2. Time management strategies for the exam. 3. Effective test-taking techniques. 4. How to handle difficult questions and avoid common mistakes. By using these strategies, candidates can increase their efficiency, improve accuracy, and maximize their score. 1. Understanding the CQA exam timing and structure. 275 multiple-choice questions, 150 scored, 25 unscored pilot questions. Diet of 5 hours and 18 minutes to complete the exam. Open book format, but only ASQ-approved reference materials are allowed. Time breakdown per section. Auditing fundamentals, 20%, 35 questions. The audit process, 36%, 63 questions. Auditor competencies, 18%, 32 questions. Quality tools and techniques, 21%, 37 questions. Audit program management, 15%, 26 questions. 2 time management strategies for the exam. Start with easy questions. First, answer straightforward questions first and mark difficult ones for review. Use the 90-minute checkpoint. Aim to complete half the questions, about 88, within the first 90 minutes. Keep a steady pace. Monitor time every 30 minutes to stay on track. Use the last 30 minutes for review. Go back to flagged questions and ensure all are answered. 3. Effective test-taking techniques. Read questions carefully. Identify keywords like best, except, most likely not. Use the process of elimination, POE. Cross out incorrect choices to narrow down options. Leverage the open book format wisely. Pre-tab and highlight key sections in reference materials. Trust your first instincts. Stick with your first answer unless strong evidence suggests otherwise. 4. How to handle difficult questions and avoid common mistakes. If you're stuck on a question, move on. Mark it for review and return later. Watch out for tricky wording. Avoid misreading double negatives or misleading phrasing. Avoid overthinking and changing answers too often. Stick to your first answer unless you find clear evidence. Don't leave any question blank. There's no penalty for guessing, so always select an answer. Key takeaways. Manage your time wisely. Aim to complete half the exam within 90 minutes. Answer easy questions first and return to difficult ones later. Use test-taking strategies like process of elimination, careful reading, and smart use of open book materials. Avoid common mistakes like overthinking, misreading questions, and spending too much time searching reference books. By applying these time management and test-taking strategies, candidates can boost their confidence and improve their performance on the CQA exam. In the next lesson, we'll cover how to analyze mock test results and identify areas for improvement.